Hey everyone, today we're making this easy and delicious white chocolate mousse cake. It is luscious and extravagant and delicious. So I'm starting off with my cake. I have flour, sugar, salt. I'm just going to cream my sugar and my butter together, added my vanilla, and then I'm not using any eggs, so I have some baking soda and some vinegar that I add to the milk. I'm just greasing my pan and we're going to cook it. Once it's cooked, we're going to just set it aside. Now I'm blooming my gelatin with some vanilla and some milk. And then I have some hot cream. And I'm going to add that to my white chocolate chips. And I've added some sugar and a little bit of salt to it as well. We're just going to blend it together until it's nicely melted. Then we're going to add that to the gelatin and mix it. And then we're going to refrigerate it until it's nice and cold. Once it's cold, we're going to whip up our heavy cream with a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. And then we're going to combine the two, our white chocolate mixture and then our heavy cream. And then we're going to let that cool on top of our cakes. And while that's cooling, you want to let it cool for about like an hour or so. Then we can start working on our topping. So I have some strawberries and I'm just going to arrange it into a beautiful flower. Top it with some pistachios. You can leave it just like this, or you can put another layer of some clear jello right on top and just let it sit and cool, and it is beautiful. It is such a show-worthy dessert. You can bring it over for friends and families, or when you have a dinner party. It's beautiful and very impressive and so delicious. The white chocolate mousse is creamy and smooth and has a little bit of a bite with the salt. It's so good. It's delicious. Hope you try it.